Hey there, YouTubes. Today we're going to be talking about the 56-volt power head system from Ego. In particular, we're going to be talking about the combo pack, which includes the 15-inch string trimmer attachment and the 8-inch edger attachment. So before we get into the actual review and unbox this thing, let's talk just a little bit about why I'm interested in this particular product. One, I'm wanting to transition away from the gas-powered options that I've got in my lawn tool repertoire right now. And I'm also wanting to get away from my cord-based options. And it seems like right now we finally are to the point of having battery-powered lawn tools that have enough power and battery life to actually be useful. So in that regard, Ego's been a brand that's received a lot of praise. And I didn't want to jump off into the deep end right off the bat, so I went with the 15-inch Ego string trimmer and just to test it out. And I'll just tell you bluntly, I've been pretty happy with it so far. I went and got it, and just that transition from the gas-powered engine over to the battery-powered option, I was really taken back by one. It was, I like it because it's light, it's easy and comfortable to use. Very user-friendly. The noise has been, the noise levels is really great. You don't have the loudness of the gas-powered engine, so that's a big plus. The only downside that I've had so far with the 15-inch Ego string trimmer sole attachment or sole unit is the 2.5 amp hour battery that comes with that option. It's just not, it just doesn't have the battery life that you're going to need. I have a relatively decent sized yard. I've only got about 10,000 square feet. So if you've got 10,000 square feet or below, I had a hard time getting all the edging done that I needed to have done on that battery, that size of battery. I've got, fences, stonework, patios, driveways that I've got to do a lot of edging along, and I just didn't have enough through one charge to get through all of that. Now, all that said, outside of the battery, it was an overall positive experience, and I felt comfortable going to the next step and investing a little bit more money. And that's why I went with this power head system. And that system, the power head system right here, is going to allow you to integrate all the attachments that Ego has. So I was interested in this because, one, it's got the 5 amp hour battery as part of this combo, and I'm hoping that upsize and battery is going to allow me to have a little bit longer life in trimming. Also, this power head system allows me to integrate my landscape blade onto a battery powered platform, and I've seen some other folks that have said that this platform works great for that. I'm going to test it out. I'm a little leery about if this thing's going to have enough torque to operate those landscaping blades. I'm going to check it out and let you know if that's the real deal or not. So let's unbox her and we'll see what we're working with here. Alright, so it's going to come with your actual plug-in charger, your wall charger for your battery. It's going to come with your manual. You've got your 15-inch stringer attachment. You've got your 8-inch edger attachment. You've got the multi-head system tool. Protective cover for your for your trimmer. You've got your adjustable handle. You've got your 56-volt 5 amp hour battery. And then some assembly tools for putting it all together. Alright, so whenever you open up the manual bag, you're going to get the edger attachment manual, the string trimmer attachment manual, you're going to get the actual power head manual. You're going to get a manual on the various batteries that Ego offers, and then you're going to get an operator's manual on your wall unit for charging. So let's talk about ease of assembly right out of the box. And it really does not get much simpler than this system. Your grip and your protective cover for the edger is really just going to attach by Allen wrenches. So you're going to undo these, stick them on. That's easy enough. But in terms of the actual attachments going into the main mechanism, you're just going to slide it on, and it's going to give you a line to go to. You're going to twist it tight. My 5 amp hour battery is charging at the moment, so I grabbed my other 2.5 hour battery, slide it on, and you're going. So, I mean, straight out of the box, if you've got a battery that's operational and you're not having to charge one, I mean, you can be up and running in a matter of 1 minute. So from an ease of assembly standpoint, these things are pretty amazing. So let's talk about your edger attachment real quick. If you need to adjust the depth of your edge, that's done really easy. And come over here to the wheel, just loosen this and you slide this wheel up and down, and then re-engage wherever you would like that depth of cut to be, and you're ready to go. One thing that's neat about the charging and docking station in the battery itself is, as this thing's charging, it has indicator lights to let you know how far along in the charge it actually is, and then it'll actually light up fully green once it's fully charged. But then you can get a visual just view on how far along this is in the progress of charging. So that's a nice little feature. All right, well, let's give her the old college try and see how she performs. All right, we got the edging done. Now let's take a look at the trimmer. So let's come out here to the backyard and check out the trimmer. Oh, and if you haven't paid any attention, I'm putting in a putting green. I've got a video series about that, so click and subscribe if you're not already, and you can kind of watch me make my progress on that putting green. But let's get back to the trimmer here. So let's talk about my final thoughts here. I was pleasantly surprised at how this all operated. I'll show some B footage here of the edger actually edging and the trimmer trimming the yard. But I thought the edger did a great job leaving a good trench, a good edge there. There were no torque, power issues associated with getting the work done. The trimmer did a really good job of going around not only just patios, and it got underneath fences, went around my flower beds. It did a really good job there. What I'm most excited about is using a battery powered system like this that also has enough power and battery life to be a viable option. So I'm excited about that. So would I recommend this unit? Yes, I would, and I'll link to it below if you guys are interested in it. I'll link to just all the rest of the attachments as well, just so you can see what options are out there that go along with the power head. And then like and subscribe, guys. I'll try to put out more content like this. Like I said, I've got the putting green series coming up. You won't want to miss that. And get out in the yard. It's the start of the growing season here. My Bermuda is getting out of dormancy. I'm really excited about what's going to happen this year. Get outside, enjoy yourself, take some pride in your property, and until next time, I'm Real Bob Shady, and we will catch you on the flip side.